Let's take a look at some tips and things to try when cleaning the glass on the inside of your oven door. I'm going to show you two different cleaning methods on two different oven doors. The outside glass is pretty easy. You can use a commercial glass cleaner, but the inside of the glass can be a bit tricky. You don't want to use any chemical or oven cleaners on the door glass. These can lead to scratches, cracks, and streaking. This is door number 1. You can see some streaking and spills. Overall, it's not too bad. To clean this, I'm going to spray some warm water and use dish soap and a sponge and scrub down the glass. This seems to be actually working really well, removing the stains. And then I'll take some damp paper towels and clean off all the suds. And then some dry paper towels to wipe down the door. And perfect. That worked for this door. Now let's try door number 2. This door has been through some rougher times, and you can see some of this even looks like it's inside the glass, like in between the glass and the door. I'm going to try what I did with the first door and use some warm water and dish soap. I'm really scrubbing here, and this isn't even making a dent in these streaks at all. Let me wipe this down and remove all the soap, and I'm going to try something different. Since that didn't work, I'm going to make a paste out of baking soda and water. To make this, I just followed the manufacturer's recommendations and made a mix similar to the consistency of like a pancake batter. I'm going to go ahead and place this on all the stains on the door and then let it sit for about 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes, and I'm going to take a dry sponge and get to work scrubbing. This is working much better. It's getting rid of everything, even the stains I thought were in between the door and the glass. Now I'm going to use some wet paper towels and wipe away all the residue. When the baking soda gets wet, it dissolves, and this process can be messy, so that's why I would recommend using the dish soap first, and then if that didn't work for cleanup, then trying the baking soda. This is still looking a little streaky, so I'll take some dish soap and warm water and wipe down the glass again, and then wipe it dry. There you go, it looks good as new.